Welcome to this video. We'll explore why smartphones sometimes restart automatically and provide a guide for students to help identify the cause. Does your phone experience random reboots, go blank, or get stuck in a boot loop? Let's look at why these interruptions happen. A restart isn't always a glitch. Your phone often uses a built-in self-defense mechanism, shutting down to protect its hardware from permanent damage. There are four main categories for these issues: physical factors, software problems, apps or security threats, and hardware failures. First, let's look at physical and external factors, where environmental conditions or accessories can interfere with your device's normal operation. Surprisingly, even your phone case can be a culprit. If a case is too tight or misaligned, it may constantly press the power button, triggering a restart. Don't overlook the basics. Lint and dust in your charging port can disrupt power connections, causing fluctuations that lead to unexpected reboot. Heat is another major factor. Phones are designed to operate within specific temperatures. If it overheats, the device will shut down to prevent damage. Moving to system and software issues. Sometimes the operating system needs maintenance, or bugs and memory management errors can force a restart. Sometimes it's just a setting. You may have enabled an auto restart or optimization feature that schedules reboots, which can feel unexpected if you've forgotten it's on. Storage space is critical. If your phone is nearly full, the system may struggle to function. Aim to keep at least 10% of your storage free. Apps and security threats can also be to blame. Third-party applications or malicious software can conflict with system processes, causing instability. Faulty or poorly coded apps consume excessive resources. When background processes strain the processor too hard, the phone may restart to clear the memory. Finally, we must consider internal hardware failures. Over time, components degrade, and physical impacts can break internal connections, often requiring professional repair. Whether it's a battery failing to deliver consistent voltage or a motherboard damaged by liquid, hardware issues are a common cause of persistent restarts. To tackle these problems, we use a troubleshooting funnel. We start with the easiest, non-invasive solutions and progress to the more complex ones. Step 1 is simple. Remove your phone case, disconnect any external battery packs, and gently clean the charging port with a wooden toothpick. Then check if the restarts stop. Next, address software. Install the latest operating system updates and ensure your applications are current. It is also important to delete unused apps to keep your storage clear. If the problem persists, boot your phone into safe mode. This temporarily disables downloaded apps, allowing you to test if the device works normally without them. As a final step, you might need to perform a factory data reset to fix severe software corruption. Always back up your photos and contacts before you begin. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have tried all these steps and your phone still restarts, please consider visiting a professional repair service.